Hello everyone. Let's make a tasty chicken fry quickly. The ingredients required are 250 grams boneless chicken cut into cubes, 1 tablespoon tandoori chicken masala, 3/4 tablespoon of garlic powder, half tablespoon of ginger powder and 1 tablespoon of red chilli powder. Then we need 3 tablespoons rice flour to make the chicken fry crispy. Add 3 tablespoons of thick yogurt to give a tangy taste. And add some salt to taste. You can add some red food color, it is completely optional. Now coat the chicken with all the ingredients very well and marinate for 10 minutes. After marination, you can deep fry the marinated chicken in hot oil. Garnish with coriander leaves and serve. Thank you for watching.